Yes, sir.
Yes, Zainab. So which question number?
17th and 32nd one, sir.
17th and 31.
32.
Okay, okay, okay. So it is 17. So question is saying this. Okay, so it's an easy question, not a tough one. Don't worry. Okay, so let's do this question. Okay. So Zainab, this question is saying that your fourth term of an AP is 0. Okay. The value of the fourth term is 0. Clear? A4 is equals to 0. Clear? Hai?
Yes, sir.
As second, it's saying that prove that the term of 25th term of the AP is 3 times its 11th term. You have to prove this thing like, so 25th term of AP is 3 times of its 11th term.
11.
Okay.
Yes, sir.
So put the things here. So you need to show this thing. So A4 is A plus 3D is equals to 0. Okay. Okay. So let's do the
Yes, sir.
A5 will be A plus 24D is equals to, just a second, the term of AP is 0. Prove that the so okay, A plus 3D is equals to 0. So value of A will be minus of 3D. Yes or no? I'm
Yes.
audible, Zainab?
Yes, sir.
Zainab, is my voice audible to you?
Yes, sir, you're audible.
Okay, okay. Actually, because of internet, your voice is a little bit lagging. Sorry. Okay. Okay, so okay. So A25. Sorry. So your A25 can be written as A plus 24D. Yes or no? So
Yes, sir.
instead of A here, you can write minus 3D plus of 24D. Yes or no?
Yes, sir.
Yeah. So it will be equals to what? Is equals to minus of, oh sorry, not
Minus
minus, it's 21D.
21D.
It's 21D. Okay. Say similarly, a plus 11d will be equals to a plus 10d. Okay. A plus 10d. Put the value of a, set minus 3d plus 10 is equals to 7d is left. Clear? First equation, second equation. Okay. Do this thing. You can write A25 as 3 into 7d. Yes, no? Is my voice audible to you, Zainab?
Yes,
Hello?
sir. But your
I'm
screen
audible,
is
Zainab?
lagging.
Yes, I'm
Yes, sir, you're
saying,
audible.
uh, so can you write A25 3 into 7d? Yes or no?
Yes, sir, you can write.
Okay. So 7d is equals to what? A11. So you can write A7d as 8 of 11. So this is what you need to prove. So hence proof is proved. A25 is equals to 3 times 11 proved. Clear?
No, sir, I didn't get it.
Zainab, you can write 7d as A11. The value of A11 is 7d.
Yes, sir.
Okay. So so that's how you can that's how it is 3 times of A11. Clear? Because 7d is equals to A11. I've just put it the value A11 as 7d. Okay?
Yes, sir,
Clear?
got it. Yes, sir.
Got it. Next is 32. This is PQRS term of an APR ABC. Basically, so this question is straightly forward. So the question is saying that pth term of an AP are ABC. So pth term A will be equals to A plus P minus 1 into D. This is your first equation. Clear? Second equation is qth term is so it will be equals to B. B is equals to equal. I'm audible, Zainab? Hello?
Yes, sir, you're audible.
Okay, okay. Actually, my laptop is a little bit hanging because of internet. Sorry for that, dear. Okay. So B is equals to A plus Q minus 1 into D. Okay. This is your second equation. C is equals to A plus R minus 1 into D. Is this clear, Zainab, to you, dear? Please let me know.
Yes, sir, it is clear.
So we need to show that A into Q minus R plus B into R minus B plus C into P minus Q is equals to 0. Okay, that's what you need to show that thing. So now, Zainab, here, see this thing. Here, A can be cancelled out because A will become negative. You shift on the left
Yes, sir.
side. So your
Yes, sir.
basically your D will be equals to comes out to be 1 by bracket of P minus 1 because it's in multiple. Okay, right. This step.
Yes, sir.
Yeah. So A minus A is equals to P minus 1 into D. So this will cancel. Okay.
Yes, sir.
So D is in here is multiplication. So D will be can be written as 1 minus by P minus 1. Okay. So now you got the value of D. So which is your fourth equation. Now you can put the value of D in all the equations.
Yes.
B is equals to A plus q minus 1 into d is 1 into p minus 1. ठीक है. Similarly here a plus r minus 1 into 1 by p minus 1. ठीक है. So so b is equals to a. So you can take LCM. So if you take LCM, p minus 1 will be multiplied with a plus q minus 1 here, and in p minus 1. Clear? Is this step clear to you, Zainab?
Yes, sir.
Yeah. Similarly here, a is equals to a of p minus 1 plus of r minus 1 divided by p minus 1. ठीक है. Solve it. So p minus b is equals to ap and a q. Okay, let's find it out. ap minus, okay, you can do one thing here as well. You can just multiply this p minus 1 into this b1. So it will become b is equals to p minus 1 a p minus 1 plus q minus 1. ठीक है. So you can do one thing, take the p minus 1 on the left hand side. So p minus 1 minus of a p minus 1 is equals to q minus 1. So you can take p minus 1 common. So p minus 1 can be taken out common, and inside it will be b minus a is equals to q minus 1. Clear? Is this step clear to you, Zainab?
Yes, sir.
Okay. So it's b minus 1 ap bp a and b. p will be taken out common and minus 1. चलो ठीक है, देखते हैं. अभी इसको सॉल्व कर लेते हैं. Let's solve this one. So c p minus 1 is equals to a p minus 1 plus of r minus 1. So यहाँ से भी इसको let's shift this p minus 1 on the left hand side similar to the previous one. So p minus 1 and c minus a is equals to r minus 1. ठीक है. Now the question is saying that a into q minus r, b r minus b, and c p minus q. Just a second. Is there any bp ap? मतलब p कॉमन आएगा तो a प्लस b आएगा. मतलब p q r है टर्म. इसका p q a p d. ओके, सो बेसिकली हमको
But here I did, I'm not getting the answer.
अच्छा, इसमें फिर क्या करना होगा अगर हमें इस तरीके से आंसर नहीं मिल रहा है? तो आई थिंक हमने जो ये ए लिया है, ये हमारा ए जो होंगे ये दोनों डिफरेंट होंगे, क्योंकि अगर यहाँ पे सब्ट्रैक्ट होने के बाद ये आंसर ये इसको फैक्टर नहीं कर रहा है, तो इट मीन्स ये सेम नहीं होंगे. सो लेट्स डू दिस क्वेश्चन अगेन, नो प्रॉब्लम. हम लोग इसको अलग लेके चलते हैं, उसके बाद हम देखते हैं कि लेट्स हाउ इट विल प्रोसीड. Just a second, Zainab. My like basically it will be a little bit lag because my Wi-Fi is working again. So let me connect with my Wi-Fi so that we can have a better.
Yes, sir.
Okay. Yeah, yep, it's good. Actually, now we are done. Like my Wi-Fi is working now. I think maybe there was some maintenance issue. That's why it stopped working. Okay, so let's do our thing. Pth term means so a, the value of pth term is a. So a will be equals to a. A is the like a is the first term, just like the normal p minus 1 into d. Clear? This is your first equation. B is equals to a plus p q minus 1 into d. ठीक है? C is equals to a plus r minus 1 into d. ठीक है? So this is the equations that we have formed. Clear है? So
Yes,
now
sir.
we have two like basically unknowns. The value of a and the value of d are unknown. Great capital A and small d, which is common difference. Clear hai?
Yes,
Okay.
sir.
So what we will do is that in all the terms you can see this thing. So when you multiply it's d, pd and d, a minus d. So just do this thing. A is equals to a minus d, take this in the bracket, and plus of pd. You just multiply this d into the bracket. Okay, pd and minus d, and you just bracket basically combined it with a. Okay, you have done nothing. We have just taken this term as a single term. Okay, b is equals to a minus d, similar here, plus of qd. Same here, c is equals to a minus d plus of rd. Okay, so that's what we have done. This is your equation. So don't assume this is as one. Assume this one as one because this is the simplified one. Okay. This is your equation number 2 and this is your equation number 3. Clear, Zainab? I'm audible,
Yes, sir.
Zainab? Is it clear now? Yeah. So
Yes, sir.
basically, now we have three equations. So what we will do is that we have to now we have the value of a. The value of a is a minus d plus pd. Clear? Hai? Now we have value of b. Value of b is here. What I need to do is, according to the question, I need to multiply q minus r with the value with the equation 1, r minus v with the equation 2, and p minus q with the equation 3. Because I have the value of a now, I will just put the value. If I multiply this, this whole will become an equation. Clear?
Yes, sir.
Yeah. So what I will do is that multiply equation 1, equation 2, and equation 3 by q minus r respectively, and r minus p and p minus q respectively, and add all the equations 1 2 3. We will add them after multiplying all of them. Okay. So put the values here, Zainab. So a minus d plus of pd. Okay, will be multiplied with q minus r. Okay, plus a minus d plus of qd will be multiplied by r minus p. Okay, plus of a minus d plus rd will be multiplied by p minus q. Okay, so after adding Let's multiply these terms. A minus D into QR plus of PD Q minus R. ठीक है? Plus of A minus D R minus P plus of QD R minus P plus of A minus D P minus Q plus RD into P minus Q. Is this clear? Is this step clear to you, Zainab?
Yes, sir.
Yeah. So you can see this thing in all the terms, these terms, A minus D terms, I can take out common A minus D. Okay.
Yes, sir.
So A minus D will be taken common out from these terms. So what will be left inside? Q minus R plus of R minus P plus of P minus Q. See this thing? Plus what will be left here? PD, QD and RD. And from PD, QD and RD, I can take it out common as D. What will be left? P, Q minus R plus Q, R minus P plus R, P minus Q. Clear?
Yes, sir.
Okay, just see this thing. Q will this cancel this minus Q, R will cancel this minus R, and P will minus. So this whole becomes 0. So this term will become completely 0. A in something into 0 will be 0.
Yes, sir.
Okay, here same thing. So this way this becomes completely 0. So D is left PQ minus PR plus QR minus QP plus RP minus RQ or QR. QR, RQ same, both the things are same. Okay. RP, PR same, PQ, QP same. So these things also become 0. And it is total equation is completely 0. That's what we need to prove. So hence proof. Is this clear, Zainab dear?
Yes, sir.
I hope it's clear to you. Do you have any doubt now?
Yes, sir. Now it's clear.
Now it's clear?
Yes, sir. I used the wrong method. That's it.
Basically, I also thought that this A will be same. So if it's if this A will be same, so I just followed the normal method. But I after when I realized that there is no connection between them, so that's why I thought I should take the value of A different. Both the A, this is normal A, the value of A pth term, and A is capital A, so that we can get a common relation between them. Okay.
Yes, sir.
Okay. One thing I would like to say to you, Zainab dear, is that don't and basically just understand and take the concept. Don't rectification of the maths question. Okay. So
Yes.
it's yeah. So sometimes some questions are there which have the same concept, but you have to think a little bit different. Okay.
Yes, sir.
Yeah. So okay. So that's it for this question. So let's start with the SN term.
Yes, sir.
Chalo. Let's do this question. So let's move forward here. I hope now my voice is not lagging to you.
No, sir. It's not
Huh.
lagging.
Yeah, basically, actually, due to internet issue, that's why my voice is a little bit lagging. So what we had, just a second, let me open the NCERT book so that we can take some question from there to start the SN terms. Chapter, it's fifth. Okay, so let's do this question first. It's a normal question. Okay, so the question is this straightforward question. So this question is saying that we need to find the sum of first 22 terms of an AP. Clear? And the AP is given right there. Let's do the solution
Yes, sir.
first.
Should
So
I
we
solve
need,
it?
yes, okay, you would like to solve? Okay, solve it, no issues.
Yes, sir. So the answer is 81.
Okay, so answer is no, dear, it's not 81. Definitely not. Okay, don't worry. Let's do this question. Sometimes happen, it's first question, don't worry. So basically n here is 22. Okay. A here is 8 and D is equals to A2 minus A1. So A2 minus A1 will be 3 minus 8. Okay, so minus 5 will be the D. So
Yes,
formula of Sn is equals to n by 2, 2A
2A.
plus n minus 1 into D. Okay, put the values here. Sn S22, 22 by 2. 2A is 2 into 8 plus of n minus 1 is 22 minus 1 into minus 5. Okay, so this will be cancelled out by 11 times. So S22 is equals to 11. 8 to the 16 plus 21 into 5 minus of 65. 21 into 5 by 105, sorry, minus of 105. Okay, so it will be equals to 11 into, so 105 and 16. It will be 99 and 89 minus of 89. So this comes out to be 11s and 99, 11s 88, and 917. It will be minus 979. Clear, Zainab?
Sir, firstly, why can't we multiply the 11 and 16 and then subtract by 105?
Dear, if you need to do this thing, you have to multiply 11 with 16 and 11 with 105 as well. This is a whole bracket, not just 16. The 11 is not multiplied with 16 only. It's completely multiplied with the bracket.
Yes, sir.
Okay. Okay, that's how. So that's why it will be a little bit like if you need to say this, if you want to do this thing, you can multiply 11, 16 and then multiply 11 and 105. Clear?
Yes, sir.
Okay. So this question, let's do this question. Okay, so this question, you would you like to give it a try?
Yes, sir. I'll try
Okay,
it.
okay. Do this question.
Eh.
Janab, any answer, dear?
Yes, I'm doing it. Can you give me 1 minute?
Okay, sure. Take your time. Take your time.
So the 20th term is 200.
And let's solve this question. Actually, just give me a second. 20th term is 200.
Yes, sir.
Okay, so the sum. Yeah, correct answer. 20th term is 200. Very good. So let's solve this. And the sum of first 14 terms is S14 is given as 1050. Okay. And its first term is 10. So 8, sorry, 8 and A is equals to 10. You need to find the 20th term. So first
We
sum of
can
first
use
is
n
given.
as 14.
You're saying something, Zainab?
Yes, sir. We can use n as 14.
Yes, n will be 14. So your Sn will, the formula of Sn will be n by 2. Always write the formula before starting the question. Okay, it will give you marks.
Yes, sir.
Like teacher should know which formula you are using. So S14 is equals to 14 by 2. So value of 2a is all 2 into 10 plus of 14 minus 1 into d. D is not given, we'll find it out. So 1050 is equals to 7 because this will cancel 7 times. So 20 plus 30 in d. Okay. So
Yes.
let's find out 1050 by 7 is equals to 20 plus 13 d. So 7 1 is 7, 3 is left. So 7 5 is 35 and 50. So 150 minus 20 is equals to 13d. Okay. So 130 is equals to 130 is equals to 13d. So d will comes out to be 10.
10.
Okay. So we need to find the 20th term. So 20th term is what? A20 is equals to a plus 19d is equals to 10 plus 19 into 10. It says 200. Okay.
Sir, I use the an formula for it. Is it correct?
Yeah, it's also correct. It doesn't matter. So basically, it's how you will get the a, like if you put the value a plus and minus 1 into d, put 20 here, it will give you what? A plus 90 and d ultimately, dear.
Yes, sir.
Okay, so both the things are correct. Don't worry. So let's do some more question based on this. So, okay, so this question. This question is a good thing. Would you like to give it a try or should I solve it?
I'll try it, sir.
Okay, try this question again. Do you know how to solve a quadratic equation?
Sorry, sir.
Do you know how to solve a quadratic equation?
Yes, sir.
Okay, do this question because this question will involve the solve basically the factorization of quadratic equation. This question will form a quadratic equation.
Yes, sir.
Okay, question, do this question.
Sir, I'm stuck at the factorization, sir.
Okay, no issues. Okay, so basically, so let's do this question. So how many terms of an AP will be formed so that the sum is 78? So AP, let's do the A is equals to 24, D is equals to A2 minus A1, which is 21, minus 24 is equals to minus 3. Okay, and D is given already there. So S is equals to 78 because N is not known. So Sn n by 2 equals to 2A plus of n minus 1 into D. Okay, put the value here. 78 is equals to n by 2, 2 into 24 plus of n minus 1 into minus of 3. Okay, so 72 into 78 into 2 is equals to n is equals to 48 plus of plus of 3 minus 3 minus 1 3 minus 3n. Okay, so 78 into 2 is 156.
156.
Yeah, 156 is equals to 48 and 3 51 and minus 3n square. So so take all the things on the left hand side. 3n square minus 51n is equals to 100 and plus of 156 is equals to 0. Is this clear? 15, yeah. So you can see this thing, 3 can be taken out common. So equation will become 17n plus of 5 and 2, 52. Is this clear, Zainab, the steps that I've taken?
Yes, sir.
Yeah,
Yes,
so
sir.
now you have to split 17 in such a manner that the sum of the splitting terms should be equals to 17, and when you multiply it, it should be 52. So okay, so this can be written as n square minus 13n minus 4n plus 52. So 13n and minus 4n, 17n. Multiply them. 13 into 4,
13 into 4.
52.
Yes, sir.
Clear? So take this as pair, take this as pair. So n minus 13. And same here. What you will take common? You, if you want the
4.
n minus 13, you will take
4.
n minus 13. You will take minus of 4, dear. Minus of 4.
Yes, sir.
Okay. So n minus 13 and n minus 13s. So n minus 13 will be taken out common, and n minus 4 is equals to 0. Now either the value of n will be equals to 4 or will be equals to n is equals to 13. So both the values are correct. Okay. I hope it's clear to you,
Yes,
dear.
sir. Yes, sir.
Okay, the value, either the value of n should be 4 or either the value or the value of the n should be 13. Clear?
Yes, sir.
Okay, so dear, so that's all for this class. I hope it's clear to you. I have given some I have basically shared some question with the management. They will share it with you by tonight. So you have to solve them those questions. It's very easy. Okay.
Yes,
So
sir.
okay. So inshallah next class we'll be ending this chapter. Okay. I hope it's clear to you, dear.
Yes, sir.
Any doubt so far?
No, sir. Clear with all.
Okay. Okay. So thank you so much.